there's no shit in the front yard.
Oh no, my car is getting broken into. We have to stop them.
Oh! Stop! Get out of the car! This is the police! Put your hands up! Last time I said this is Jojo Siwa's car. My car!
Thanks to the Ring doorbell, my car is back.
Ring stops robbers. What can you do?